hi, Derek here, and I just want to take a quick moment to kind of explain what the phrase born a playwright means to me and why it is the brand we're using here going forward, and why I mean by that, when I say born a playwright, is that I believe that every person is born with the three kind of innate characteristics of a playwright. Every person is born creative, every person is born curious, every person is born empathetic. For at least most of us are born able to express all three of those things, and over time with things like education, work, family concerns, just the overall pressures of life, those three things sometimes get whittled down to tiny little nubs, and we end up feeling like we can't express ourselves creatively, or we're not a storyteller. We can't do those sorts of things. But even if you think that you aren't a playwright, or you think that you aren't a creative person, everyone still thinks in stories, right? Everyone talks in stories. When we tell somebody about our day, we tell it in a narrative fashion. We tell them what happened here, here, and here. We inflate things and exaggerate things and want to get the emotion of a situation across. We want our news to be stories. We want to think of disparate events in history as having a narrative through line. We dream in stories. We dream narratively. So inside of us, there is a writer, there is a creator, there is a playwright, just ready to come out. And so when I say born a playwright, that's what I mean. And it's what I feel passionately about, is that there is the potential for creativity inside everybody. And I personally believe that a stage play is the best way to bring that out. And hopefully someday you get to see it performed live and see your ideas brought to life in front of you. But even not, just the act of putting art out into the world is a beautiful thing. And so that's what our purpose is here on Born a Playwright. So thanks for supporting that little mission of mine. Until next time, peace and all good.